If you want to delete your LinkedIn account, then here's what you're going to do. This is an important note first. Deleting your account is a permanent action. All your endorsements, recommendations, connections, and messages will be lost. First step is you're going to make sure that you cancel your premium plan first, if this is applicable. If you have a premium subscription, just make sure that you cancel it first. So after that, you can click the Me icon at the top of the homepage right here. And then from here, you're going to select the Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Now, from the Settings and Privacy page, now you're going to click on Account Preferences right here on the left menu. And then from there, you're going to scroll down until you find the Account Management section. So we're just going to scroll down. And then you'll be able to see the section right here at the most bottom of the page. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to click on Close and Delete Account. You're just going to click on that, and then from there you're just going to click on Continue. You're going to tell them the reason why you're closing your account. So maybe you can just do, you have a duplicate account or whatever applies best to you. You're going to click on Next, and then you're just going to enter your password right here. And then after that, you can also opt to unsubscribe from the LinkedIn email communications, including invitations. And then after that, you can just hit on Done. Now, once you hit on Done, your account will finally be closed. Now, your account is held in a deactivated state for 14 days. So if you log back in during this time, you will have the option to reactivate it. But after 14 days, the deletion becomes permanent. And that's it. That is how you're going to delete your LinkedIn account. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.